Have you been involved in an accident with injuries on Gulf Boulevard in Pinellas County, Florida? If so, here at St. Petersburg Personal Injury Attorneys McQuaid and Douglas, we have countless years of experience handling these types of claims. In fact, our office has been around since 1956, although obviously I haven't been practicing since 1956, but our lawyers have significant experience in handling these types of claims. Now, Gulf Boulevard begins on St. Pete Beach, right there by the Don CeSar, and it travels all the way along the beaches, basically borders the beaches of Pinellas County, running through Treasure Island, Madeira Beach, all the way up through the beaches, and then ending up in Clearwater Beach near Sand Key. Because our office is located so close to Gulf Boulevard and the beaches, we get a ton of these accident claims. And they're not always car accidents, although the majority of the incidents on Gulf Boulevard are. We also get a lot of pedestrian accidents involving cars. And the reason for the sheer volume of problems on Gulf Boulevard is because you have a lot of pedestrian traffic crossing the roads at different crosswalks, getting basically tourists going from their hotels to the beaches and back. And so at all these different crosswalks, all up and down Gulf Boulevard, you've got traffic stopping rapidly, i.e. you get rear-end collisions. And that's the case even though the speed limit is actually quite low. Again, as to the pedestrian accident cases, again, you've got all these people crossing the street, they're bound to be hit by cars. And so we get a lot of car accidents on Gulf Boulevard and pedestrians struck by cars on Gulf Boulevard. So what do you do if you unfortunately were involved in one of these incidents? Well, first you need to get emergency medical care. If you're located somewhere in South Pinellas County, you've got Palms of Pasadena Hospital. You may be sent down to Bayfront or St. Pete General. As you move farther north along Gulf Boulevard, you may be sent to Largo Medical Center or even Morton Plant Hospital for your medical needs. But regardless of whether you go to the hospital or not, you do need to get yourself checked out as soon after the accident as possible, whether you go to an urgent care or get in with a doctor that specializes in these types of injury cases immediately. Every day that you wait, the insurance companies devalues your case, and so just don't put yourself in that situation. Next, I encourage people to contact an injury lawyer. If it's a car accident, contact a car accident lawyer. If it's a pedestrian accident, again, contact a personal injury lawyer. Most car accident and personal injury lawyers will handle these types of cases. We do them day in and day out here at St. Petersburg Personal Injury Attorneys McQuaid and Douglas. We know the road intimately. We know all the medical providers. We know basically all of the treatment providers in the area. We know what claims are worth, and we know how to maximize that value for your settlement. So if you have any questions about a car accident or a pedestrian accident anywhere along Gulf Boulevard in Pinellas County, Florida, contact us for a free consultation. And if not, we're happy to answer any of your questions, even if you don't retain us. But use this as a resource because we really do have a depth of knowledge about these types of cases. So hopefully you're not in an accident on Gulf Boulevard, but if you are, feel free to contact us.